welcome back. It's February 18th, 2020, approximately 11 p.m. And it's about 37 degrees. I'm not sure how long I'll be out here again tonight since I'm still tired and cold. But I will show you what that, I guess that rust fixer did to the Healey, and we might pull out some parts and look at the interior of the Healey a little bit more, see if I can do anything in there. Well, apparently the whole fender right there is rusted because it all pretty much turned black. I will be spraying some 2-in-1, I think it's filler primer, just to get something on it to protect it a little bit. This is the kind of primer and filler that I'm using at the moment. It's a Duplicolor Primer Series 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. Here goes the second coat. And here goes the third coat. Here's a fourth and final coat. We'll let that dry overnight and see what it looks like tomorrow. I don't know why it looks like I have rosy red cheeks. Maybe it's because I'm cold. But not sure what else I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do something else though. Here's what the inside of the Healey looks like. The person I got it off of put in the floor and did most of the body work himself. As you can see, I got the interior parts and stuff that may be kind of hard to get now, like all the trim. I'm thinking maybe the rest of this week I may try to sand down these and put that primer on it and make it look somewhat not so rusty, especially that trunk lid. Feels like there's a good 1/4 inch of Bondo on it. But stick around if you want to see me mess with the Healey some more and jump back to the Bronco when I get burning on the Healey, and vice versa. I really needed some suggestions on how to replace the rocker panels on each side. I just don't know if I need to take do I need to replace these first? And cut them here and replace the bottom half? Or do I need to replace the floor first? Or can I just replace the inner and outer rockers without replacing the floor or those yet? But any help with that, I'd appreciate it. And I think that might do it for me tonight. Like I said, tomorrow we'll look at what that primer looks like on the Healey to see if it looks good or not. And if it looks good, I may be working on these for the rest of this week. But I think that'll do it for me tonight. If you like what you see and you want to take this journey with me, please like, comment, and subscribe. I can use all the help I can get. And if anybody knows any answers to my questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching.